house cleaning and you come across an old bottle of white wine that you've forgotten about, or perhaps you were enjoying a bottle of white wine and forgot about it in the fridge for a while, too long to still enjoy by itself, it's not a complete loss. You can actually use it as a cocktail. So right now we're into conserving our resources. So we've pulled an 09 Sauvignon Blanc out of the cellar. And while I wouldn't bat an eye at drinking our Semillon this old, the Sauvignon Blanc does tend sometimes to take on a little bit of a sherry character. So it gets a little kind of golden and nutty and oxidized. So it's been exposed to oxygen through the cork for, in this case, 11 years. But it's perfect. So we basically use it as a sherry substitute. And this cocktail we love, it's called the Sherry Cobbler. Super simple. Ice, orange, or citrus really of any kind, wine, simple syrup. And you can make your own simple syrup, 1-to-1 ratio, water to sugar. Heat it up, you're done. So what we do, first we start with orange slices. So we're gonna throw 3 orange slices in, and we're gonna do our simple syrup. So it is half an ounce or so. If you like it sweeter, put more in. And then you muddle it. So any big, heavy object, just squish it. And then the recipe calls for 3.5 ounces of sherry. Because wine isn't as strong, we're a little more liberal. So we're gonna do more like 5, probably. And ice. Throw some ice in there, a couple handfuls of cubes, and then we shake. So if I'm lucky, I won't get this all over me. So I'll shake for like 12 seconds, get it nice and cold. Then we have a cup here. Doesn't matter what kind of cup. This has shaved ice in it. So just strain the wine cocktail in. And we like to garnish with an orange slice. We usually end up squeezing it in. And this is a old white wine cobbler. So good.